Yeah, hi. I just wanted to recommend the AQ Snooker app from Ashad Qureshi. I've been using it for just over a week now, and probably a week and a half, and I find that it's a really good way to stay motivated for practice. It's suited to all levels. It's important to realise that you will start on the same level as everyone else. It doesn't matter who you are, and some of the challenges or levels that you have to get through are quite challenging. I like the fact that it's probably the only app of its kind which has coaching. It has the levels to pass when it comes to getting to the different levels for snooker, and I've found it to be really quite a good app and nothing that I've ever seen before. So I highly recommend it. Check it out. AQ Snooker. It's on the Google Play Store, and yeah, it's good to me. Cheers.